Bro, I'm gonna be honest with you, I've been thinking about this video a lot because I think it can help so many dudes that just need that little bit of extra push, advice, knowledge, or whatever they are not currently getting from their circle right now. Just view this as some great brotherly advice from a dude with 3 stunning sisters. So yeah, I know what I'm talking about. So let's get to it. This video is for you when you're tired of looking in the mirror and seeing the same kid from last year. Average hair, average clothes, average confidence. It's for the guy who wants to finally walk into a room and not feel invisible. For the dude who's done watching other guys get the girl because they seem sharper, cooler, more put together. And bro, I hear you thinking, but bro, I'm ugly, or whatever you think ugly is. Fair, others may look better, but bro, 90% of being ugly, we are gonna fix in this video, no worries. Did you ever notice how people all of a sudden get hotter when they start getting famous or getting rich? This advice is going to give you the same results without the fame or money. It's really not that hard. Declutter your space. Bro, first thing, clean your room. I know it sounds simple, but trust me, your environment is shaping your brain more than you think. If your room looks like a tornado hit it, your life probably feels the same. Clear the floor, fold your clothes, wipe the dust off your desk, toss out the random bottles and wrappers. You don't need a Pinterest bedroom, just space that doesn't make you sigh every time you walk in. When your room feels organized, your head starts to feel organized too. It's the easiest first win you can get. And if you already have a clean room, just think about what is so old you can toss out, or something that has been begging for an upgrade. Hygiene and grooming. Next up, hygiene. Shower daily. Use soap that smells good. Wash your hands often. Brush your teeth, floss, scrape your tongue. Yeah, scrape your tongue. Your breath is not as fresh as you think. And here's the thing, even if you do stink, no one will tell you. They'll just avoid you. Don't be that guy. Morning and night, quick skincare. Wash your face, slap on moisturizer. It's not gay. You like your skin. You want it to look good at 40, then take care of it. Girls notice this stuff and your future self will thank you. If you have bad skin right now or maybe acne, buy this cleanser or do your own research. Wash your face twice a day and stick to it. Cut out all the crap eating as well. Shit food makes you feel like shit. Wardrobe and shoes. Now clothes. Stop thinking you need Gucci to look good. You don't. You can look clean and sharp with Zara, Uniqlo, H&M, whatever fits you well. Rule of thumb is to keep it simple. No more than 3 colors at once. White shirt, black pants, black jacket, green cap. Cool. Neon green hoodie with yellow letters and old dirty sneakers. Not a great idea. Black socks and white shoes. No go. Get clothes that fit you, not what you wish you were. Too many dudes look sloppy just because they buy the wrong size. Bro, let's make this simple. You don't need a closet full of hype brands to look good. Here's the starter pack. Grab a couple of plain tees, white, black, beige, maybe gray. These are your cheat codes. They go with literally everything. Throw on a clean hoodie or a solid crew neck when it's cold. Add one crisp button down for when you need to look like you've got your life together. For pants, 1 pair of black jeans, 1 dark blue, and some chinos. These 3 alone cover almost any setting from chill to smart casual. Outerwear? A simple bomber or denim jacket for daily wear, and 1 clean black coat that makes you look sharp instantly. Shoes are the biggest glow up hack. 1 pair of white sneakers you actually keep clean. 1 casual pair, Sambas, New Balance, whatever fits your style. And 1 black loafer or dress shoe for when life calls for an upgrade. Finish with small touches, a good belt, a neutral cap or beanie, and 1 simple watch. Minimal, easy to mix, and you'll look 10 times more put together without spending crazy money. The trick is when you keep your clothing this simple and save for or invest in a nice watch, it will automatically upgrade your outfit. Seiko, Omega have nice watches that are not too expensive. Personally, I promised myself I would never wear a watch until I could buy a Rolex, but that's just me. Vintage models are cheaper than you think, by the way. Signature scent. Pick a scent. 1 signature smell that makes people think of you. Doesn't have to be designer, but if you want to splurge once, go for it. Otherwise, there are tons of affordable colognes that smell amazing. Just pick one, stick to it, and use it consistently. Smelling good is an instant +10 upgrade. Let's talk about mental reset. You've got habits you know are holding you back. Maybe it's gaming all night, doom scrolling, porn. Don't try to kill them all in 1 week. That's how you burn out. Pick one, cut it down, replace it with something better. Go for a walk, read, hit the gym, text a friend. Discipline isn't built overnight. It's built rep by rep. Start small and keep going. Sleep. Sleep is the easiest glow up ever, and it is free. Try to get 8 hours of sleep each night. You want better skin, better mood, better workouts, more confidence? Sleep. Set a bedtime. Kill the screens at least a little before bed. If you can spend a bit, get an Oura ring or Whoop. Seeing the data gamifies it and makes you want to do better. But even without tech, just aim for 8 hours. You'll look and feel different in a month. You don't have to be an extrovert to socialize with people. If you're an extrovert, fine. Go talk with people, make small talk, etc. If you're not, no worries. You can just score girls on Tinder or whatever dating app is trending. Girls don't care if you're a talker or not, as long as you're not fully mute and have some depth so they are not talking to a wall. If you have a specific interest, great, talk about that. Pick up a book, even if you're not a reader, just read 1 page a day. Game changer, and girls will find it attractive. What are you doing? Oh, I was just reading Poof. No one wants to hear you are doing nothing or that you played video games all night. Fitness routine. If you're not a gym bro, this will take some discipline. And maybe right now you don't have a lot of discipline, and that's fine. That's why I'm helping you with this video. Discipline is one of the hardest things to build because that's just how the body and brain work. They like comfort, they hate change. But if you're doing 0 sports right now, just start by going to the gym once a week. That's it. One time. It's not going to turn you into Hulk Hogan overnight, but it will teach you a new habit, and that's what matters first. And if you're already doing some sport, great, keep going. Once that new habit settles in, level up. 3 times a week, about an hour and a half each session. And I know you're thinking, bro, what the hell do I even do? Lucky for you, I'm sharing this very basic workout plan. Keep in mind, this is very basic. Feel free to do your own research or ask me questions in the comments. I will help everyone. Promise. How to get the girl. A lot of guys panic when talking to a girl, especially a girl they like. This is normal because your brain sees rejection as danger. It is a survival thing. But my friend, if you have a female friend, you are already 1 step ahead. A girl you like is no different from a girl you are friends with. Use common sense. Talk to her the way you would want someone to talk to you. Do not brag. Do not be rude to impress her. Trust me, girls notice your behavior, especially when you are with your friends. Be interested, ask questions. Just be respectful, chill, and curious. That is it. Girls are not looking for perfection. They are looking for someone who is real and easy to talk to. Oh, and it does not matter what work you do. If you are still young and working at Target or whatever, that is fine. You do not have to be a millionaire crypto bro to look good and be attractive. If you are a little older and have a boring job, whatever, either own it or start looking for a better one. Find a side hustle if you want. Just make sure you do not spend more than you earn. That is key. Invest some, save some. I can make a separate video about this later. Alright bro, that was a lot to process. Don't get overwhelmed. Pick one thing this week, just one. Fix your room or house or start sleeping or get new sneakers. Then add another next week. 6 months of that and you will not recognize yourself, trust me.